Hi, my name is Hamid. I'm working for an electrical company for 3 years now. Well, today pull went fast and easy because of the wheels, self-rotating flange inside, and got the pull really fast, and it's easy to move it around. You don't feel the weight. If I want to talk about the cable we pulled, that's the self-looped cable. You don't need any extra lubricant for it. It's made for the hard pulls. So I would definitely recommend this new wheel to the other contractors and other electricians because it's safer to move it around. It's a lot faster and it's very more convenience for the job. Yeah, I will definitely use it again.